Is your Samsung camera not taking great photos anymore? Before you think something is wrong, try this simple camera reset. It only takes a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the camera settings on your Samsung Galaxy A35, A56, and A57 5G. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device camera app. Now tap the settings icon in the top corner. Scroll all the way to the bottom and find Reset Settings. Tap Reset Settings, then tap Reset again to confirm. That's it. Your camera settings are now back to the default values. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or videos. It only resets camera options like filters, resolution, timer, and other customized settings. If your camera was acting strangely or the picture quality changed after adjusting settings, this is the quickest fix. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Samsung tutorial.